Hello. Okay, in this video we're gonna talk about some examples of composition of functions. Now we have three functions: f of x, g of x, h of x. First one, we have to find f of g of 0. And like you see, previous function I wrote using red color for the input. Now again, in this case our input will be g of 0. Now to find f of g of 0, it means we have to find the value of g of 0 and plug in into the f function. Now what is our g of 0? It means let's take our function g, plug in 0, and what's gonna happen is gonna go to f function, and we have f of, now let's write here for the input our g function. Our function is with input of 0. It will be the 0 squared, just right here, plus 1. And we have now 0 squared plus 1 is just 1. It means we have f of 1. And f of 1, it means we have to plug in 1 for the input in our f function. It's right here. And what we have right now, it means we have 3 times our input, which is in our case is 1, plus 4. And we have 3 plus 4 is just 7. Is the answer for the f of g of 0. Next example is actually opposite. We have now g of f of 0. Okay, now our f of 0 is input. What does this mean? First we have to plug in 0 to our f function, find the value of or output of f at 0, and the result from that we should plug into g. Now we have g of f of 0, let's write it, 3 times 0 plus 4. It's our input, and 3 times 0 is 0 plus 4 is 4. Now what we have actually g of 4. Oops, wrong color. G of 4. And g of 4, again, we just plug into the function, our original function g. And we have 4 squared, it's our input, plus 1. And 4 squared is 16, plus 1, 17. That's the result. That's it. Now, next one, we have to find, okay, let's erase this. Next one is we have to find f of g of 2. Again, what is our input? Is inside here, g of 2. Keep f alone, find the value of g. And value of g, again, when input is 2, it means x squared plus 1, or substitute 2 squared plus 1, and we have 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. Now what we have f of 5. And again, now just plug into the f function. F of 5, it means just 3 times, instead of x, now we have 5. 3 times 5 plus 4. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 4, 19. Done. Okay, next one is actually g of 1. Oh, sorry. G of f of 1. Again, find the value of f of 1. F of 1 is actually equals to what? Plug in here to the original function, 3 times 1 plus 4. 3 times 1, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 now. 7 is our result. it means now we have calculated g of 7 and plug into the g function right there, and we have and 7 squared plus 1, and it's 49 plus 1, 50. Oops, 50. And this is the result of function g, composition of functions g of f of 1. Okay, and next one, we have all input already in variables. We have to find actually f of g of x. Okay, let's write it like this in color. Now, what does this mean? It means our input is g of x. It means our input in an f function. And how we're gonna write? It means we have to 3 times. Well, let's write like this. Like I did before. We have f of, and what is g of x? Is actually x squared plus 1. X squared plus 1. This is our input. Well, now, what is our actual? Now, what we have to do? We have to substitute all of this to our f function, and what we get? We get 3 times. Remember, red color is just our function x squared plus 1. Don't forget parenthesis. Plus 4. This is our composition of functions. Now let's simplify it. Distribute 3, and we have 3x squared plus 3 times 1 plus 3 plus 4. And what we have 3x squared plus 7. This is our composition of functions, or result for f of g of x. Now, next example will be opposite. We have now g of, now our input is f of x. Okay, again, we have function g. What is our input actually? F of x, which is 3x right here. 3x plus 4. Let's write it. Keep it right. 3x plus 4. This is our input. Now, what is our g function? It's right here, x squared plus 1. It means now red goes to red. It's our input. And we have, instead of x, we have now 3x plus 4 is just instead of x. And you see, it's squared. It means everything squared plus 1. Now let's try to simplify it. Using formula of perfect square, we can find what this one is: 9x squared plus 4 is 12, 12 to twice, it will be 24x plus 16 plus 1. And simplifying, we have 9x squared plus 24x, similar terms, 16 plus 1, 17. It's our result of g of f of x. Okay, now next one is h of f of x. And let's do this. We have it's h of, again, input f of x. Boom. And again, we're writing h of, let's write our input, and our input is f function, and it will be in red, 3x plus 4, everything. And now let's plug in input to our h function over there, and red for red, we have 2 over, instead of x, now we have 3x plus 4, because it's our new input, 3x plus 4, and we have minus 5. Don't forget to put parentheses around our input. Let's simplify it, and we have 2 over, just open parenthesis, actually 3x plus 4 minus 5, and let's simplify similar terms. We have 2 over 3x plus 4 minus 5 minus 1. That's it, we're done. This is our composition of function h of f of x. Now next one, following our tradition, just opposite, f of h of x. And we have f of, again, let's use the red color, h of x. And let's write our input. And actually we have function f, and our input is now h, which is 2 over x minus 5. This is our input. And what is our f? Let's plug in red for red. Boom, boom. Instead of x, now this is our new input. And we have 3 times our input, which is 2 over x minus 5 and plus 4. What is this equal to? It's equal to, multiply it by 3. 3, because it's, you can write it like 3 over 1. It just numerator and denominator. Numerator 3 by 2 is just 6. Denominator is the same, because it's just 1 multiplied by this. It will be just the same, x minus 5 plus 4. We can leave it in this form, or actually we can find common denominator, which will be x minus 5, and make it like one fraction. In this case, this term missing is actually, we have to multiply by x minus 5 and divide by x minus 5, not to change it, and it will be just 6 plus 4 times x minus 5, and we have 6 plus 4x minus 4 by 5 minus 20 over x minus 5. Again, similar terms. We have 4x minus 14 over x minus 5. And this is our answer. That's it.